Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Now in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne. This is guys the first generation Cayenne from 2002 to 2010. And if your front fog lights guys, okay, the front fog lights do not work, left and right side, stay with us guys, we'll show you which fuse you need to check. If both of them don't work, most likely fuse or relay, or you may have guys bad bulbs, you never know. But first start with the fuse. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. Now this is the Cayenne. All electrical videos will be on this channel. More mechanical videos could be found on our main channels, Auto Repair guys and World Mechanics, so please check those out. So now we need to open the door, okay, for the fog lights guys. Both fog lights, this one and that one, there is one fuse. And it's located, okay, behind that door, right here. Okay, there is a cover, we need a plastic panel too. And this cover needs to come out. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. We need to find guys fuse number, okay, 19 in our case, fuse number 19. So coming this way, okay, will be like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one. Okay, this one right here. So we'll pull it out, replace it with a new one. Okay, perfect. Push it in. Now, I'm going to go ahead and see if those things works now. Okay. Let's try now. Now we need to pull the switch. Okay. Okay, like that. You can see they work perfectly guys. So, thank you for watching. Please.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.